Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's after 5 in the morning and I need to get this video done right now. Like, it's Sunday morning and I will be going on the road, so I thought, hey, let me just get this out of the way from now. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my barbecue sauce at home instead of using store-bought barbecue sauce. I just prefer the taste more when I do it myself, so I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my personal recipe. This is what I put together. Alright guys, now please like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you are not yet a subscriber. Please share this video, comment down below, and please continue to support me guys. Now, next thing, I want to do a Q&A video for my channel, so I'm asking you guys to go down to the description below, down there, so yeah, go down there, and you'll follow my Instagram at the_Shans_experience. Alright, I'm gonna put it up on the screen as well, and it will be down in the description also. So I want you to go on Instagram, follow my page, and DM me your questions so I can do this Q&A video. Ask me anything at all. Anything at all you want to ask me? Ask me. Once we can answer it, me I can answer it. Anyways guys, everybody else is sleeping. I thought like a whole lot of people in my house, but anyways, I'm gonna get the ball rolling. Alright guys, I'm gonna jump in a little bit. So these are my ingredients. This is ketchup, so I'm gonna be using 1 cup ketchup, and we're gonna start this off on the counter before we take it to the stove. Alright, so I have my ketchup. I have, well, this is half cup, but if you notice it's not full all the way to the top, so I don't want to use completely half cup sugar. No, it's best that you use brown sugar for this guys, but I really laziness why I end up I use white sugar. It's a long story, I can't explain it, but yeah, just preset after 5 in the morning and I'm tired. Alright, so I have over here some paprika and garlic powder, so 1 teaspoon each, and 1 teaspoon vinegar here. I have my paprika sauce, and 1 teaspoon as well, and I will be sprinkling a little chicken seasoning, so no measurements there, just sprinkle a little bit, and then I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon lime juice as well. Alright, so I'll just start off first with the ketchup. Get some stuff out of the way. Right, so, and I'm using this amount of ketchup because if there's, I want sauce to be left over, so I can use, you know, just drizzle over my food when it's done. I'm going with the sugar. So I really want to get a lot out of this, and I want it to be really thick. But you know, you guys can cut down if you like the sugar. I don't do this often because the sugar is not really good, but when you want my vinegar, I'm gonna add my garlic powder and paprika. And if you don't have paprika guys, you just do without it. Alright? Just leave it. It's not that big of a deal. I just like might have a little spice. So 1 teaspoon lime juice and 1 teaspoon hot pepper sauce. Come on girl, you can do it. I'm going on my hot dog and just pour out. Don't act like you're showing them for the camera. Alright, 1 teaspoon. And the hot pepper sauce is optional, guys. I am a spice girl. So I'm a spice girl, so that's optional. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some chicken seasoning because this is barbecue chicken. So not a whole lot because the meat already has seasoning. So I don't need to do the most right now. Alright. Just gonna mix all of this together so it's fully combined. And look at that. You see how thick that is? This is the consistency that I want for it. I don't want it to be too watery. Alright? And this is a good amount to coat my chicken and have a little left over. So let's move this over to the stove now. Alright, so I have this on medium heat for now. And I'm gonna leave it until it starts to bubble. Any minute now, you should be seeing the, yeah, there it is. It's been on for about 10 seconds or 10 to 20 seconds and it's already started to bubble. So because it started to bubble, I'm gonna turn it down to low heat. It's gonna start to bubble, so don't rush the process. Trust me, the slower the better, because I want it to slow simmer. Alright, let me take out my spoon before it gets too hot. So I'm just gonna leave this until it starts bubbling. And let me tell you guys, because I use the ketchup and thing, you notice the color is really red. I didn't burn the sugar before or anything like that. So what I am going to do is to just tip a little browning to give it a little darker color. I mean, that's optional if you like color. How it is now, then you can skip that step. But I want it to be a little darker, so I'm gonna add a little browning to that. How about half teaspoon? If you notice the color that it has now, I'm more satisfied with that color. Alright, so at this time I'm just gonna leave this to slow simmer for about 10 minutes and then we'll see how it is then. Alright, I'm gonna do a taste test to see if I need to add anything. That's right, that's just right. Yeah, that's great. That was hot, by the way, guys. Do not do that. Do not do that. So catch you guys in 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 12 minutes now and this is where it needs to be. I can see that all the sugar has been dissolved. It has simmered enough, so yeah, I'm satisfied with it. So that's really it, guys. Showing you how simple it is for you to just make some barbecue sauce if you don't want to buy it at the store, or if you just prefer to make it at home. You know, whatever the reason is, quick and simple. Quick and simple, and this works for me. This is to my liking. It may not be to your liking, so what you guys can do is to just experiment with it, tweak it a little, make it your own, and boom. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like it, please comment down below, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so as yet, and turn on your post notification. Please turn on your post notification so you can see when I upload a new video. I will catch you guys in the next one, and I look forward to showing you guys my barbecue chicken. Alright, stay tuned for the next video, which is part 2. See you soon. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.